In this video, we compare DJI Mini 2 SE and HS720 GPS Drone 4K. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight and portable drone, making it ideal for travel and outdoor activities, as it weighs less than 249 grams. With the DJI Mini 2 SE, there is no need for FAA registration or remote ID for recreational purposes, thanks to its weight being under 249 grams. The drone offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, and with the additional intelligent flight batteries, you can achieve a total flight time of 93 minutes. The DJI Fly app, which comes with the drone, provides easy-to-use shooting templates for creating professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. The DJI Mini 2 SE has an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibilities compared to Wi-Fi. The drone is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function for added safety, making it easy to learn and master quickly. The HS720 GPS Drone 4K by Holy Stone provides a high-quality 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring crisp and clear images and videos even in motion. This drone is FAA compliant for remote ID, eliminating the need for an extra module and ensuring worry-free flights. Equipped with GPS-assisted intelligent flight, the drone returns automatically when the battery is low or signal is lost, and can follow set paths or circle a point, allowing for focused photography and creation. The drone features an upgraded configuration with 2 intelligent batteries for a total of 52 minutes flight time, brushless motors for quieter flight and lower power consumption, and a foldable design for easy transportation. The HS720 is easy to operate with multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for effective operation in weak GPS signal areas. The considerate controller, with a control range reaching up to 3,000 feet, displays battery level and GPS signal on an LED screen and includes a button for turning the drone light on or off, catering to both right and left-handers. In comparison, both the DJI Mini 2 SE and the HS720 GPS Drone 4K offer a range of features that make them ideal for both beginners and more experienced drone users. The DJI Mini 2 SE stands out for its lightweight design, extended flight time, and advanced transmission range. Its weight, under 249 grams, eliminates the need for FAA registration or remote ID for recreational purposes, making it a convenient choice. The HS720 GPS Drone 4K, on the other hand, comes with a high-quality 4K UHD camera with image stabilization for clear images and videos. It also offers GPS-assisted automatic return, making it a reliable option. The HS720's flight time is slightly shorter than the DJI Mini 2 SE, but it compensates with 2 intelligent batteries for extended usage. Both drones are easy to operate, with the DJI Mini 2 SE offering simplified operations and a return-to-home function, and the HS720 offering multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning. In terms of pricing, the DJI Mini 2 SE is slightly higher, but both drones have received positive customer reviews, indicating good value for money.